guys, happy Friday. Today y'all are doing a couple of DIYs to review over motion graphs. Motion graphs are something that you also learned about in 6th grade, so we're going to do a little refresher today. When you go to the modules, DIY 3 for today is going to give you your lesson and some little practice examples. So you need to watch the video and take notes on it. And it says things to include in your notes. You need to know the different types of graphs. You need to know how to interpret graphs, meaning how do you read them? How do you get information from the graph? And then steps to calculating the speed when you are looking at the graph. So all motion can be represented using a graph. It's got a video that will go through and explain the main types of motion graphs, and then how you can use a distance versus time graph to calculate the speed. So these are your steps. It'll go through an example on how you can find the speed at one particular point and then find the average speed between 2 points. So these are things that you need to practice with. So to practice, we've got a quizzes. You will click on the link. You can turn the timer off until you get used to the process. So don't worry about the time limits. Just turn that timer off whenever you're taking it. And then for DIY 4, you guys are going on a beach adventure. So you're going to be getting different information in order to plan out your trip to the beach. Because, in the wintertime in Texas, it's usually not very lovely outside. So this is going to be your opportunity to plan out your trip. So that's what you're going to be working on today, reviewing over motion graphs. If you need help along the way, just let me know. Send me a message through Canvas. It is the last day of the 6 weeks. So please, 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 if you have not done so already, check your grades. I updated them again yesterday. So check your grades in Student Self-Serve, see if you're missing anything, and make sure that you take care of that today. If you need to retake your test from Tuesday, you need to take care of that today. Everything locks at 11:59 p.m. tonight, okay? So make sure that you're staying on top of your work. And then if you are one to celebrate Halloween and go trick-or-treating or party or have fun, I hope you guys have a great weekend and make sure that you are safe. All right, see you later, Bulldogs.